everyone. I'm Mike from Regala Photography, where we talk about everything photography. Today, I am going to talk about how to use keywords in Lightroom Classic to help you locate the photos that you want. But you don't have to go sorting through thousands of photos just to find a few set photos that you were looking for. Okay? It's actually very simple to do. It's something that I don't do, and I'm actually just starting to do this right now along with you. So I guess we're going to be in for an adventure on this one. So let's go ahead. We'll get into Lightroom Classic. We'll show you how to get things set up and ready to go. Again, it's actually very simple to do. And that'll be it. So here we go. All right, so here we are in Lightroom Classic. And I have my first photo right here that I want the keywords in. Okay, so I'm going to come on over here. This most likely will be all closed up. So you want the first one right here that says keywording. Click on that. Where it says tags, click on enter keywords and tags. Okay, so you put that right there. Now I'm going to put down very broad keywords, nothing really extremely specific. Okay, so I'm going to put sunrise and then separate with a comma, sunset, since they're very, very similar. I'm going to put down bay, and I'm only going to put down bay right now. I'm going to fix that in a minute. Actually, no, I'm not going to take that back. I am going to put Irondequoit bay. Bay, okay, comma. Let me see. Anything else? We could put water. Okay. And why don't we just leave it at that? Okay. So we got some very, very simple keywords. Now, if I come over here and I click the next photo, keywords aren't there because they're in this one right here. Okay. So I want to keep this first one highlighted. Okay. I want to keep it highlighted. And then I'm going to scroll all the way down. And then I am going, since these are all Irondequoit bay, I am only going to do the ones that have the sunrise. So we're going to go we'll go right to here. And I'm going to hold the shift key down. And now they're all going to be highlighted. Okay. And so now what I want to do is come on over here. And I want to hit the sync button. You got two buttons right here. You got sync settings. This is if you want to, the sync settings, if you want to add the settings from one photo to another photo. Okay, you don't want that right now. We're just going to click the sync button, okay, because that's going to sync camera info, basic. So you check the ones you want. Right now, we only want keywords. And you can see here's the keywords. Now, it's crucial that the first photo is that it's in your series here, in your catalog. That's the one that has the keywords in it. Yeah, I made a mistake earlier, and I tried to put them in a photo that was down in the middle somewhere. Well, then when I clicked photos that were before it, this was all empty, and you would have to add them again. Okay, so we don't want that. So we just want it the way it is right now. But here are the keywords. So those are all going to be added. So I make sure this checkbox right here is checked. And now obviously that'll check this one over here. And then all I'm going to do is click synchronize. Okay. So now, since this is the photo right here, let me get out of that here. Oops. My bad. There we go. So here's the photo right here that I put the keywords in. But now if you look, every other one over here has the same keywords in it. Okay. So they're all there. All right. Now let me show you why this is something that would be useful. All right. So let's just say, I don't know. Let me see. Oh, actually, no, let me take that back. I'm going to do that in a minute. Now, let's just say I want to add some specific setting or keywords to certain photos. Okay. So this one right here, we'll click that one. Still has these right here. But now what I want to do is I'm going to click my comma, and then I'm going to add boathouse. Okay. And then we're going to do comma. And then let's just say I want to add, okay, we're going to do boathouse to this one too. So we'll come on over here. So we're going to do a comma, space, and then boathouse. Comma. Okay. So now what I can do is I could take this photo right here and let me highlight all these other ones that I want to add boathouse to. And again, some of these, I'm not going to do them all. I'm just going to show you a few here. So now we're going to do the same thing. Come on over to sync. Okay. And scroll down. And again, you can see here, but now it added the words boathouse. Okay. The keyword boathouse. So now I'm going to sync those up. So we click sync. All right. So now I come on over here. These were the first two that I did right here that have boathouse in it. But now I come on over here, boathouse is in here. But over here, I didn't add it. So boathouse isn't in that one. Okay. So here we go like that. So let's just say I want to find all the photos that I took with boathouse. With a boathouse. I come on up here at the top. And if you don't see this, okay, you got to be in the library module. And if you don't see this up here, you got to hit the backward slash key. Okay. Or actually, I take that back. It is the forward slash key. I always get those two mixed up. The forward slash key. The one that's right with the question mark. So you would hit that and then it would appear. So click. You got a couple different ways you can choose. Like our search. So right now we're on none, but we're going to search for text. So we're going to come over here to text, and now you can see this opens up. So we're going to search for any searchable field, or we can just click keyword, which is what we want. And then we got here. Now this is where you'd have to really know what you're looking, not really know what you're looking for, but you got to decide, do you want something that contains all the words for boathouse? So let's just say I put boat dock. It would, because it has the word boat in it, it would search for that as well. But if I do search all, okay, it will search all of these words. So it has to be all of these words together. So we're going to put boathouse. Okay. And you could see only the ones with boathouse showed up. Okay. So if I were to search for something just for boat, then if I had other keywords that had boats in it, they would show up as well if I would have chosen just contain. Now, obviously, I don't have any keywords set yet. I am absolutely terrible with doing keywords. Okay. So, again, this is something that you have to stick with, stay consistent with it. And once you get it done, it's not a problem. But if you're like me and you got thousands of photos where there's no keywords, I have to kind of play catch up, and it's going to take me quite a few weeks to get this caught up. Okay. So, again, all of these right now have the word boathouse in it. Okay. Now, if you're also somebody who likes to color your photos, which means rate them, you can also click on attributes, and you can say you want all your photos that have the word boathouse and that have at least 4 stars. Now, if I click that, I don't have any that have 4 stars. Okay. So I want to get out of that. I can also choose flags, or if I'm color coding, I can have a color code. And again, if I were to do that, none of those are going to show up. Okay. But what I could do is, let's say I click on a photo right here, and I want to rate this photo here. So, let me see. How can we rate this photo? We're going to rate this one 5 stars right there. Okay. And then I am also going to flag it. Okay. So we're going to flag this. Okay. With a white flag. All right. Actually, let's just do the stars. So then we're going to do this one over here. This one's only going to have 3 stars. All right. And then I'm going to do another one. Let's do this one over here. This one's going to be 5 stars. Let's do one that's going to be 4 stars. So I'll do this one right here, 4 stars. Okay. So now I come on over here. I want all the photos that contain boathouse and are at least 4 stars. So now it's going to give me all 3 of these photos, because this is 5 stars, that's 5 stars, that's 4 stars. It did not show the 3-star one. Okay. So it's a great way to fine tune and find the photos that you really want or need. Let's just say you have a client, and you're looking for all your photos. They want a sunset photo of a national park in your area. It's, let's just say it's the federal tourism organization or department, and they want a photo, and they saw one of your photos on social media, and you were looking for it, and you couldn't find it. You shot it 2 years ago. Well, all you got to do is, if you're got your keywords and you're all set, all you got to do is just go and search for it, and now you can find it. Okay. Much easier than having to scroll. Now, again, if you're all organized, you can come on over here and, come on over here and click on a different, on your collection. And if you know exactly where your collection is. But if you're using different libraries, like right now, I'm using all the same library. If you're using different libraries, you're going to have to remember, gee, what library was that in? I shot that 2 years ago. And then once you find the library, then you got to find the actual collection itself. And then you got to find the photo. So let's just say you do find the collection, but you have 2,000 photos in that collection. Well, now you got to try to find it. So this is just the easy way that you could be anywhere here and you can find just those photos that you're looking for. Okay? Hopefully that helps. Well, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and hit the subscribe button as well. It really, really does help me. Ring that bell if you want to be notified when my next video is posted. Until next time, take care, everyone.